go. Here I come. Ready? Woo! Wow! Did you see me flip?
Yeah.
That was awesome. Let's do it again.
Yeah.
Let's get back on that rock. Okay.
I'm on it.
All right, Torro Loco. You go first. All right. Okay, my turn. Ready?
Yeah, I can watch.
Here he goes. Woo! Ah, I flipped again. Okay, let's go check out those waves.
Yeah. Is it cool?
Oh, look at this. What's this stuff?
It's moss.
Is that moss?
Yeah.
Ooh, it's kind of yucky. Ooh, look at that slimy moss.
Uh-huh. That's slimy moss.
Here, let's get some. See? Ooh. Look at that slimy moss.
Let's put it on him.
Oh,
And then be the white monster. Okay?
okay. Okay,
I be the...
here we go. Look at me, Torro Loco.
What the heck?
I'm the scary, slimy lake monster.
Oh.
Look at me. Did I scare you?
Yeah.
Rah! Okay, I better go wash this moss or the seaweed off me, huh?
Yeah.
Here we go. All right. You want to put some on you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, you're kind of scary. Here, look. You can let your horns stick out. Look at that. Now you're a scary lake monster. That's a green, scary, slimy lake monster. Ah! Oh, you're pretty scary.
Rah!
Ah! Okay, let's wash you off. You're really scaring me, man. Oh, okay. So glad it's you, Torro Loco.
Yeah. As a race girl, I want to go in a race.
Yeah, you bet I do. Let's go. Let's go check out these
Yeah,
waves.
be right here and then be right here.
Whoa! How about we try to jump over the waves when they come? You ready? Whoa! Ready? Whoa! That was a huge one. Whoops! Here comes one. Here comes. Whoa! Whoa! Hey, you're not jumping. Are you okay? Okay.
I like the waves on me.
You like the waves to hit you? Whoa, it feels kind of cool. Whoosh. Let's see.
There's another wave.
Whoa, there's some bigger waves over there by those rocks. Should we go over there?
Yeah.
Maybe.
Now follow me. I fly. I have wings.
You have wings? You just grew wings all of a sudden?
Yeah. I hear.
Right over here. Torro Loco, over here. Right over by these rocks. See how those waves are coming right there? Right over here, see? Right here. Right over here, this is a good spot.
Oh.
Right here. Okay, right here.
This is a good spot over there.
See, look it. Let's
Come
get.
over. Look.
Whoa, that was a big wave. Oh, it knocked me over. Help me, Torro Loco, help me. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much.
What comes?
Oh, here comes another one. Oh my goodness. Here they come.
Help me.
Oh,
Help me.
help me, Radical Racer. Oh, let me help you,
Racer.
Torro Loco.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, look at these big waves. Whoa. Whoops. Hey, this is a nice rock.
Yeah.
This is a really good rock.
Oh, but we're playing some. What are we playing on?
We can play King of the Rock.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So how do you play King of the Rock? Do you know?
Yeah, you push me off The other guy pushes off.
Okay, so whoever stays on the rock the longest is the king, right?
Yeah.
So ready?
1, 2,
Ready,
3,
set, go! Oh! Go! Oh! Oh my goodness! You got me. Right, let's play one more time. Ready?
Yeah.
Set, go! Ah! Oh my gosh! No wonder they call you El Torro Loco. You are a crazy bull. Okay, let's go. I see some good muddy spots by the end of the lake. Let's go drive in them. Uh-oh, Torro Loco.
I got it.
Oh, you scared me. Okay, let's go. Let's go play in the mud.
Yeah, go drive off this. Oh, I'm flying.
Okay. That looks like a good muddy puddle.
Yeah.
You want to jump in it?
Yeah.
Okay, ready, go. All right, look at that. Woo, mud. All right, this is what I'm talking about. Muddy puddles. Love it. Rum. This is awesome. This splash. What are you doing? Yes, let's see how muddy we can get. Let's roll in the mud. Oh my gosh, this is awesome mud. Oh, you stuck here? Oh yeah, let's take a mud shower. Ready? Mud. Woo! Mud bath. Look at me. Oh, I like mud. All right.
I'm getting all my dirty.
This is awesome. Splash in the puddles. Okay, here I come. You're splashing that puddle. That's an awesome puddle right there. Oh yeah, good splashing. Here we go.
I go this way.
Okay, let's go this way.
Hey, follow me. And this big one this way.
Wait for me, Torro Loco.
Follow me this way. Go in.
Okay, let's go. Oh, you want to wash off in the lake now? Okay. All right. Nice. Now we're clean.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go drive on the edge of the lake in the water. Here we go.
I go drive over here. Follow me. I'm flying.
Oh, let's jump off these rocks. These are cool.
Ah!
Whoa, not that way, into the water.
Oh. I go under let's play off the rock. Let's do mud. And you have the first mud.
Mud?
I have the first mud.
Okay.
So
Okay, I'm ready. Can I jump?
You jump on the mud because you have your mud.
Okay.
You jumped on the mud and you're turned into a monster with some. You have seaweed too. So I have seaweed right here,
Okay.
and I have
Seaweed and mud monsters.
I have seaweed right here.
Let's see who can be the scariest seaweed or mud monster.
I'm gonna be the mud monster.
Okay, you're gonna be a mud monster?
Yes.
Maybe I'll be mud and seaweed.
Okay. I'm gonna be mud and seaweed too.
See, look at me. Wow, look at all that seaweed. That's cool. Seaweed and mud. All right.
Look, I be the best one ever.
Okay, Torro Loco.
I'm not done yet.
Oh, you're not done? Okay.
I done.
All right. I can't really see. Let's see. Let's clean off my eyes. There we go. Get some more seaweed. That looks really cool.
Look at me over here.
Okay, let me come see you. I'm gonna come drive around.
See?
Ah! Ah! What's that? goodness. You scared me. Is that Torro Loco underneath there? Oh, it is. Good thing. Oh, my goodness. I think your costume was the best. What do you guys think? I think it was the best. Woo! Oh, the seaweed won't come off me. It's like spider webs. It's like sticky. Kind of. Okay, thank you. All right. Whoa, look at all this yucky mud and seaweed. It's perfect.
Yeah.
Should we drive through it? Okay, let's go and drive. That was fun.
We're on the other seaweed again.
Yeah. Hey, thanks for hanging out with me at the lake today, Torro Loco. It's been awesome playing in the mud, being mud monsters and seaweed monsters. Yeah, that was so cool. We should do it again. We should do it again. Yeah, we should. Okay, well, you guys watching, remember to hit that subscribe button and like so we can make more videos and go to some cool other places. I think pretty soon we're gonna go to a rodeo. All right, that's my kind of jam, a rodeo. Remember, subscribe. See you guys on the next video.